let's learn Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana in under 60 seconds. It doesn't take that long, so hit like if you want me to shut up and just get to it. Begin here in F major, but you're really just playing bar chords down on the low notes. F major, give it that kind of rhythm, and then palm mute, you know, do some extra little picks with the muting. Then you go to B flat, then down to A flat, then to D flat. Of course, Kurt Cobain had to put all those flats in there. F, B flat, A flat, D flat. Then you do this, you know, little palm muting like that. You can play your chords up here, or you could do, you know, those kind right there, the B flat right there. And then you go to the first fret of the B to the first fret of the E string. Boom, under 60 seconds. No one needs longer than that. Hit like if you want to, and I'll see you around.